This is our previous host RC210, so it is for the Passat B5. The characteristics of this host are the same as before. Adhering to factory style, introducing new console today to everyone with originality and enthusiasm. This host is newly developed by our team. Therefore, it is a product that can perfectly match the Passat B5 watch model. And it is an Android 13 host. Then this particular host utilizes an IPS screen for its display. Then there is the Play Store. We can download the relevant application that everyone needs. Can watch videos, then you can make or receive phone calls, navigation map, then you can connect wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Functions exist. In my opinion, this host has a significant impact on the overall effect of the original host. There is a noteworthy improvement, and all of its buttons utilize touch-sensitive buttons. Then we can also utilize the button, then enter the map navigation to make use of its DSP system. Also specifically improved, just because the sound effect of our original host is still good, so it also corresponds to and has made corresponding designs. So it employed a 16 times DSP output, and if the original car possesses a public broadcast capability, it also outputs the car public broadcast with an interface. In general, this speed is quite good. I think it's still a fairly good substitute. What do you all think?